Oh, Keneigh, show us how that tooth wiggles. Oh my gosh. You will be without that tooth for long. You won't never have that tooth to smile at again. You're going to have new teeth coming in. But for a while, you're going to have a little hole there. What you going to do? Put your little straw through it for your little juicies? You know what? I think you're the most beautiful girl in the whole wide world. You're prettier than all the princesses. You're prettier than all the models on TV. You're prettier than all the movie stars. You're the prettiest girl I've ever seen in the whole wide world. I love you. Guess how much I love you, little kitty cat. Guess how much I love you. No, I can't see it. I was too close to see. Yep, that much and 20 million times more. Oh, yeah, more. You're my little kitty cat. Tell me about Cowboy Day tomorrow at school. You gonna be a cowgirl? Better get your boots dirty. Your hair's so beautiful. Don't you ever let anybody color it. It's gorgeous. What is your name, little girl? Meow Meow? Oh, that's a pretty name, Meow Meow. Where do you live? Over there? Oh, I see. I thought you were the president. President of Perfect. Calling and warning people about the weather. Are you sure? Positive. No? Not positive. What's your papa doing? Is he cooking dinner? Is he taking... No, he's not. That little rascal. He's taking a little nap. Oh, goodness sakes. Love the girl. Love that girl. I can't see you, too blurry. I see your nostrils. Do you have lipstick on? Your lips are so beautiful, you don't even need it. I agree. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Do that again. Very good. Very good. Mama. Oh, wow, look, she can walk. There's her little fox. She's going around there somewhere. She's hiding from her grandma, from her Nana. Hiding. Where did my little Meow Meow go? I'm looking for my little Meow Meow. I saw her. I love you.